it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I'm bringing you another diamond painting unboxing. So this is a 30 by 30 that's going to be for my scrap room, or my craft room, and yes, I'm looking forward to this one. I've had this one in my cart for quite a while. So this one is, I'm just pulling up the information. I ordered it on the 3rd of March. Today is the 17th, but I think I picked it up from the post office on about the 14th. No, it came through the post. I didn't need to pick this one up. Came through on, I think it was the 14th, it got popped through the letterbox. So really quick turnaround on that one. It cost me £9.48, and this was ordered from the Mycella, MYCELLA official store. So let's get into this one because I'm eager. Say I'm eager. I know it's been here a few days, but I needed to be able to film. So we have a canvas on a foam core, very good start. And then we have toolkit and diamonds. So let me move the packaging out of the way, because of course that's the one with all the info on it, and let's have a look. Let's do the boring thing first, which is the toolkit. Boring when it's not your first diamond painting, because by then we all have loads. So we've got some pink wax, looks like it's been attacked by the tray, but anyway. We've got some clear baggies, a white tray, a single placer, and a set of tweezers. So that's the toolkit. And then we have an inventory sheet, which is always good for me to show you guys what we've got. But this is the picture. So it is a camera. I'm expecting a lot of white or close to white. Let's open this one up. Yeah, we have a lot of white. So we have 23 colours, a lot of the 5200, as you would expect. But yeah, quite a few different colours considering it's pretty much a black and white. And I got this one in 30 by 30, and that is square. So let's have a quick look at the canvas. So we've got elastic bands on both sides, but the canvas is looking in very good nick. It's quite a big foam core, thickness wise, which is probably good for the canvas. So let's just unroll it on itself and then ditch that. So here we go, we've got the image of the camera, and then we've got the name of the company, the size, and then we've got all the symbols with all the DMC codes. So we do have some 310 as well as some white. So let's have a look. Now this is a single sheet of paper, so I will have to do my cutting down. But let's see if we can get this flattened out. But I thought this is sort of, ripping it. So this is sort of scrapbook paper size, and I'm ripping it even more. Okay, let's maybe start from the other side. Let's see if I can get this off without ripping it, preferably. So we do have quite a lot of white around the outsides, as you would expect. From what I'm seeing on the symbols so far, this is looking very clear. So there we go. Oh, look at that. It's upside down, but how good does that look? So I actually have a series of pictures in my cart from this seller, which would be for my scrap room. One of them is this camera. Another one is a person holding a camera, and another one is a picture of an eye. So we've got the eye, the camera, and then in turn the person looking around. Let's turn this round. Wow, how gorgeous is that I cannot wait to do this one. And the symbols look amazingly clear. Let's see if I can zoom you down rather than me try and lift this up, because this I would probably cause some sort of injury. So that's as far down as my camera will go. Just zooming in, so let's lift it up a little bit for you, see if it will focus. There we go, look at that. And that is in the height of activity, but even though we've got quite a few different symbols, they do use the white on black as well as the black on white. Beautiful. Okay, so let's zoom back out so you can actually see what I'm doing. But look at that. Anybody that's into photography, that is amazing. So let's get this flattened back down. Let me pull it back from this one just because the other side, of course, has got the white. And let you see, there we go. So you can see the full image there, and of course there's an extra strip of white. But the glue is very tacky and in gorgeous condition. So let's flatten that back down before I definitely cause an injury. And to confirm, this is the way I always confirm that the images are good. If you look at the back of that canvas, absolutely glorious. No bubbles, no anything. So if any bubbles appear in the glue, I can deal with them. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the size. So I'm going to the image rather than to the paper, but that is exactly 30 in the image. And then the paper pretty much goes top to bottom here, only overlaps a little bit, and again 30. So a true 30 by 30 as they state. So very much liking this seller. So let's have a quick look at the inventory. Doesn't look like a lot of beads, but maybe that's beads, drills, diamonds, but that's probably because I'm also working at the moment on 50 by 50. It seems to have been the ones I've been working on recently, which of course have a lot more drills. But let's have a quick look. So we've got 1542, 7,623, and we have the ones where they're actually using colours, so that's blue, and then we've got some here that are red. So we've got 939, two of those, 3041, and we've got 317. As you can imagine, quite a few greys, but there's quite a few purpley colours in here as well. 310, we've only got two. I won't be sorry to see less 310s, I'll tell you that much. But that's partly because the 310s that I'm currently working on are not the best quality. So we got 413, 414 and 415 in here, which is of course a whole series of greys, which you would expect. 535, 646 and 647. Now they don't seem to have a lot of overage, should we say, in regards to the numbers. What makes me say that, which one was it? I think it was this one, 348. So if there is 200 beads per pack, then you do end up with 50 extra. But whether, you know, whether they are the full amounts, we will see. 3865, oh no, 3743, 3747. Oh, we've got a nice cornflowery blue in there as well. 3860, 3865, which is your off-white, and then we've got your 520, 5200, sorry, which you should have 35, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 35. Fantastic. Inventory all there and complete. Packaged very nicely, I do think. I do think they have them all sat in the packaging as though there was a little bit of care taken. They weren't just thrown in any which way, which is always an extra good addition. So I'm going to pop all these back in here to keep them safe. But yeah, I am very impressed so far with the quality of this one. The drills are all looking good. I mean, it's one of those you never quite know until you actually get working on it. But off the bat, they're looking like they're good quality drills. Even the whites. Yeah, the whites look good quality. So having said that, the one I'm in the middle of has very good quality whites. So yeah, that is the image, the camera, and it took under 2 weeks to get to me. Popped through the door so that I didn't have to go to the sorting office, which always seems the way. Excellent canvas, really, really nice canvas. Really nice quality glue, you can see that shine. Really nice clear symbols. So yeah, quite excited to do this one. So thank you so much for joining me while I unboxed my camera, and I'll be back with some more videos soon. So take care, thanks for watching, bye.